Okay, hi. Kayla, come to Grandma. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gonna come get that? Come and get it. Come on, big girl. Oh, jump up and down. Does that move you faster? Oh, look what you got. You ran into the rug, though. Come here. Here, Grandma's gonna take it. Come on, come get it from Grandma. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come get it from Grandma. There you go. There you go. You want that? Do you want that? Take it. Okay. Look at her head shake. Shake the bottle. She shakes her head. Okay, what is that? Is that iced tea? You gonna be a Lipton iced tea commercial? Huh? You gonna be an iced tea commercial? Yes. Oh, coming over to Grandma. Yeah. Oop. Uh-oh. It fell down, didn't it? Can you pick it back up? Pick it back up. Here. Here, Grandma has it for you. Okay, let's set it on your tray. Does that help? Okay.